strawberry elephant. It's so good. Oh my god. Oh my god. My strawberry elephant is so good right now. Oh wait, I'm AFK. I'm AFK. Wait, can we do trade? No, I'm 5 year old. I'm 5 years old. Okay, let's do trade. Ow.
Cocofanto elefanto.
My mom's homeless. Can I have this one, please? Give me.
Owie, why'd you do that? Give me my strawberries. Where's that?